Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of BoAi's Slow English. I am very excited about today's episode because I'm a big foodie. Foodie means someone who loves to try different types of food and cuisine. There is a sandwich shop near my house called Breadhead. I don't know what it is about this bread. It is so good. It's so good. So I thought, why don't we do a slow English video where I describe the ingredients of the sandwich that I got. I got a BLT, which stands for bacon, lettuce, tomato. I also got salt and vinegar potato chips and an Arnold Palmer. This is considered a very American classic style of meal, and I'm glad you can join me. If we have never met before, my name is Bo again, and my goal is to help you to learn English, and I will do this by speaking in slow speed to help you to understand and improve your listening comprehension. I am starving right now. Starving is an exaggeration saying that you're very hungry. And I haven't eaten for over 6 or 7 hours because I got up really early to go to work, and I usually eat breakfast around 7:30 a.m. It is now 2:30 p.m. and I am ready to eat, but I wanted to film this even though I'm starving because this is a great opportunity to learn more about the American culture. I was afraid on my drive back home that the Arnold Palmer would no longer have this pretty color, this separation in color. Let me know in the comments if you know what an Arnold Palmer is. Okay, I'll tell you. Half lemonade, although the lemonade doesn't look like it's half of the cup anymore, and half iced tea. So the iced tea color is now starting to mix into the lemonade. They provided a straw. Some people like to mix this by stirring it around so that the iced tea and the lemonade mix together fully. But for my first sip, I want to take a sip of the lemonade first and then the iced tea separately, just so that I can experience the taste of them as individual beverages, and then I will mix it together. So let's try the lemonade. It's amazing. Do you know what lemonade is made of? It is part fresh squeezed lemon, part sugar, and water. I don't think anything else. Growing up in a small town in Baltimore, Maryland, on the East Coast, when I was a young kid, I used to sell cups of lemonade maybe for 5 cents or 10 cents to my neighbors. And where I live now in Los Angeles, I cannot imagine a kid doing that because from my experience, although I don't have kids in Los Angeles, I do not feel like the neighbors are as friendly as where I grew up. Everyone kind of does their own separate thing. sometimes neighbors out here are a little bit unapproachable. That's a long word, I know. Approachable means that you are able to go to someone and easily speak to them or interact with them. So if someone is unapproachable, then they are not very welcoming. I hope that makes sense. From a very young age, I guess, I was always an entrepreneur. I wanted to make money. So 10 cents, 5 cents per cup of lemonade. Now let's try the iced tea. So I'm bringing the straw up so that I can try just the brown beverage, which is iced tea. It's perfect. Iced tea is made of black tea with maybe some fresh squeezed lemon and some sugar. Fun fact, Maryland, the state where I come from before moving to Los Angeles, it is the most northern southern state. Does that make sense? So if we think about the whole east coast of the United States, we have northern part or the northeast part of the United States, we have the central, and we have the south. And the south, you would think, is all down here, but Maryland is at the most northern part of southern states, which is also why the Baltimore accent, where I'm from, sounds a little bit confusing because it is a mixture of the northeast accent with a southern accent. I think that's why it's a weird accent. So now that I have tried each individual beverage separately, I'm going to stir it up. There you go. And now it is mostly mixed together. Heaven. It's so good. The sandwich. BLT. This is very sloppy handwriting. Bacon, lettuce, tomato. I think the first time I ever tried a BLT is when my dad used to make it after church. I was very young. The key to an excellent BLT is to have very crunchy bacon, crunchy lettuce, and of course, crunchy bread. Did you notice how when I said BLT quickly, it sounds like BLT? That might have been a little difficult for you to understand, but just know when I say BLT, it's BLT. 3 letters. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Are you jealous? When I eat the sandwiches from this sandwich shop, I go into a trance. It's as though the world does not exist because the sandwich is so good. Oh, something important to note is the word sandwich, when spoken slowly, is sandwich. But when spoken quickly, because the NDW in the word is a little tricky to pronounce quickly, it will sound like an M for some reason. So if I say the word sandwich quickly, it sounds like sandwich. Sandwich. Here we go. Wow. Did you hear the crunch? Look at all the layers inside the BLT. We have lots of crispy bacon, tomato, specifically tomato slices, crispy iceberg lettuce, mayo or mayonnaise, and their special house-made thin bread. This sandwich is really hitting the right spot. That is a saying, or I don't know if it's an idiom, but it's a saying which basically means you're very happy to be eating the sandwich. To accompany my sandwich, I got salt and vinegar potato chips. Normally in the US, although they are chips made out of potato, we usually just call it chips. And I know in other parts of the world, chips is equivalent to the American French fry. These are different. Have you ever had salt and vinegar chips? It's my favorite flavor, and this brand in particular is extremely crunchy. It's amazing. I'm going to finish up this feast, and then I will come back to you so we can speak further about the classic American meal. I just finished the sandwich. I still have some chips left. I think I am in a food coma, or it's going to happen very soon. Have you ever heard of a food coma? It means that you ate a lot of food and now you're going to feel very sleepy. I asked ChatGPT, my best friend, to give me a short definition and brief history about the BLT sandwich, the salt and vinegar chips, and Arnold Palmer. So I will read what ChatGPT told me, and you can read along in the caption as I read it slowly. A BLT sandwich is a classic American lunch made with bacon, lettuce, and tomato on toasted bread, symbolizing a simple yet beloved combination of flavors. Did you notice the word beloved sounds weird? You would think that it's beloved, but for some reason it's beloved. The Arnold Palmer is a popular drink made from half iced tea and half lemonade, named after the famous American golfer who helped popularize it. Popularize is a difficult word to pronounce, but as you can see, the root word of that is popular. So if you are having a difficult time pronouncing popularize, start with popular eyes. So start with saying the root word first and then add I-Z-E at the end. Salt and vinegar potato chips are a tangy, crunchy snack that has become an iconic flavor in the US, offering a bold taste rooted in American snack culture. Do you know the word tangy? Tangy describes, I think, acidic type foods. Actually, why don't we ask ChatGPT? I talk to this AI app every day. Please explain what tangy means so that my English learning audience can understand. It says, tangy means a strong, sharp flavor that makes your mouth feel a little sour or tingly, like the taste of lemon, vinegar, or citrus fruits. It's not sweet, but it's not too sour either. just enough to wake up your taste buds. Are you familiar with the word taste buds? Taste buds are the little bumps on your tongue that allows you to taste different flavors. Of course, other classic American foods would be burgers, or you might hear them called hamburger or cheeseburger. Actually, I don't think there are too many classic American foods. Let's ask chat. Name some other classic American foods. As expected, number 1 is hamburger. Number 2, hot dog. Number 3, macaroni and cheese. Number 4, fried chicken. Number 5, apple pie. Number 6, cornbread. Number 7, pancakes with maple syrup. Number 8, buffalo wings. Number 9, grilled cheese sandwich. And number 10, this is actually one of my absolute favorite foods. I don't know why. Meatloaf. Meatloaf does not look appetizing or delicious, but it tastes really good. I hope you learned some new vocabulary, and I would love to know in the comments below, what is your favorite American food? Or have you ever tried American food? And what did you think about my meal today? Does it look delicious or nah? Stay tuned. I hope to post another video tomorrow because this weekend in Los Angeles, the weather is bright, sunny, and warm. So I will be out and about, which means I'm going outside to explore, and you will be coming with me. I hope you have a lovely day or night wherever you are in the world. I really appreciate all of your love and support, and I hope you learned a lot from today's episode. See you next time. Bye.